We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT Study Mode effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website by entering chatopenai.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already done so. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on the option labeled Study Mode. This will take you directly to the Study Mode interface. In Study Mode, you can create a new study session by clicking on the Create Session button. This is where you can input the specific topics or subjects you want to focus on. Enter your study topics in the designated field and click Start Session. ChatGPT will now tailor its responses to support your learning on those subjects. You can ask questions, request explanations, or even get practice problems related to your chosen topics. Additionally, there's a handy feature that allows you to track your progress. Look for the Progress Tracker button, which will show you insights on how much you've covered and areas you might need to revisit. If you need to adjust your study topics or add new ones, simply click on the Edit Session button, make your changes and save them. Remember, Study Mode is designed to help you focus and enhance your understanding, so make the most of the interactive and adaptive responses ChatGPT provides. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.